If you're looking for a side dish that's as memorable as your main dish, look no further, because today we're sharing a mouth-watering recipe that's one pan easy in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
If someone were to ask you what you had for dinner last night, there's a good chance you'd only remember the main dish. That's because that's usually the star of the meal. Well, that won't be the case if you serve the side dish we're whipping up today. It's flavorful, easy to make, and very memorable. We start by combining some long grain rice with freshly sliced mushrooms, a small chopped onion, a can of condensed beef broth, a can of cream of mushroom soup, some butter, and a bit of black pepper. After giving it a stir, we pour it into a baking dish, cover it, and pop it in the oven. That's it. The oven does the rest. By the way, feel free to swap out the white rice for the brown or use chicken broth instead of beef. It's your masterpiece. And since it's so versatile, you can serve this with just about anything from roasted chicken to grilled steak. Just be careful taking it out of the oven, because it's going to be smoking hot. To get the recipe for what we call our mushroom rice bake, all you have to do is visit our website. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a memorable way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
You can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website at KOAMnewsnow.com.